Hello, my name is Aidan Wood, and this is my code and circuitry for the DC motor using an H-bridge. First, we have my code. The basic operation of this is when the joystick is pulled in one direction, it will show forward and map that to the correct motor value. When it's in the middle, it's off. And when it's put to the other direction, it will go backwards and map to the correct value. When the button is pressed, deactivated, and when pressed again, activated. Now the motor, sorry, my motor is struggling, so it needs a quick startup to get going. But that's in one direction, off, and the other direction. Sorry, my motor. There it goes in the other direction. Thank you.